Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if the variance of the terms in an increasing AP. So, increasing AP means common difference is a positive number. Okay, B1, B2, B3, B11. So, there are 11 terms, and the variance is 90. Then the common difference of this AP is now be super slow and write down the elements. So first one is B1, then B1 plus D, then B1 plus 2D, then B1 plus 3D then B1 plus 10D, correct? And the variance will come out to be what? 90. So what I will do right now, I don't think I am comfortable to find out the variance at this stage. So what I will do, I'll convert the question into my favorable zone. So I will subtract b1, and you know that if you will subtract element from all the elements, same element from all the elements, it doesn't affect the value of variance. So this thing will become 0, this thing will become d, then we have 2d, then we have 3d we have 10d, and the variance will remain the same. Okay, now what I will do, I will divide all the elements by D to convert our question into very much comfortable zone. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. So if you will divide by a constant number D, you need to divide by D square to your variance. Now, I know that at this stage 100% you guys can find out the variance. So how will the variance look like? So variance is sum of square of all the elements, 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, and then 10 square, sum of square of all the elements by the number of numbers minus mean. So it is 0 plus 1 plus plus 10 by 11 to the power 2. The real variance is this. So let's write down the summation of this thing. So sum of square of first 10 natural numbers. So 10, 11, 21 by 6, and then we have 11 minus we have 10, 11 by 2, 11, and then we have this. So according to us the variance is this, but according to them variance is 90 by d square. Now we guys need to go through simplification part. So 3 twos are 6, 7 time, and then 5. So this is 35 minus this thing on this thing simplified. So it is 5, 5 square is 25, and then we have 90 by d square. As you know that 35 minus 25 is 10, 10, 90 d square. So this thing gone. So d will become plus minus 3, correct? But you know that they are saying that d is a positive number. So can I say that the required value of d is 3? I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.